go back, and then back again, and then straight. No, no, no.
Oh.
What's happening?
I am at the driver's license center right now. I came to do the first bit of my first stage of getting my Japanese driver's license. I hope you can hear me. It's pretty close to my face because a lot of people are here and I'm trying to be soft spoken. So sorry for the up closeness. Yeah, I have been going to driving school since August. And today is my Karimenkyo exam. Karimenkyo exam is the test to receive the learner's permit. It's 50 questions, 30 minutes, and yeah, just came out of the exam room and now I am outside out here just like waiting for the results to be posted. Honestly, I'm not nervous. I think I did pretty well on the exam. There were just 2 questions there that I was unsure about, and when I came out, my teacher was here and we went over some stuff and I realized that I made the right decision on one of the questions, but then there is another question that is still having me like, did I get that right or did I get that wrong? But at the same time, with the 50 questions, you need 45 to pass. So if I'm only not sure about one, it means I clearly passed. One error is fine. So yeah, I feel confident. I don't feel nervous. This morning I felt nervous, like going into the exam, because even though I've prepped and studied, I had no idea, what to expect or whatever. But once I started the exam and I realized the questions and stuff like that, I began to feel more comfortable. I am trying my best to look at my front camera lens directly at you guys and not at myself over here. So bear with me. I'm filming on my phone. I don't have my camera. I have not been vlogging. You guys know that. I'm just like doing this documentary because this is a big step in my life going forward, and I just wanted to have some footage of this moment in time so that I can remember it. So yeah, we are waiting on the results to be posted and I'll find out if I passed the exam for my learner's permit, the written exam. When I get home, I will try to break it down for you, how the process works, what I'm doing, my process of getting the driver's license and so on. So yeah. Yes, I passed. Hello guys, and before you get excited, no, I don't have my license yet, but I am in the driver's seat of a car because today is day 2 of my practice. The last clip that I filmed about this driving situation, I was actually taking my Karimenkyo exam. And then I passed and I was like, okay, I'm going to film the exact progress or whatever I'm doing with this driving school, getting my Japanese license situation. And to be honest, I have not done that yet. And yesterday while I was here, I also did not film. But like today, I'm like, it's day 2 of driving practice for me before I get into my 2-week camp. And I am going to document a little bit of it today. So I'm at my driving practice. My sensei is here. We're about to start.
All right, let's go.
Do you mind being on YouTube?
Huh?
I'm vlogging.
Okay, so I'm sorry. Yeah.
Do you mind or you don't want to be?
Depends on you. I have a YouTube too, but if you wanted to.
I can introduce my sensei.
Yeah.
This is.
So should I introduce myself? Okay. Harvey Ortega here from Dreams Driving School.
Yeah. Harvey Sensei.
I used to do vlogging too when I was maybe 14 years ago. Yeah, but it's kind of networking.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Same here.
Really?
Yeah, just sharing life experiences and yeah. So we're about to start driving and I'll catch you guys soon. Later on break time. Alright, so I was actually having a little bit of a lunch. I'm on break right now. I don't know, today is kind of an off day for me. Even my instructor Harvey was saying Are you okay mentally, physically, emotionally? Like, are you good? Because a lot of the things that I was good at yesterday, I'm not good at today, and kind of getting in my head about it. I actually almost cried because this situation is a do or die for me. You know, I have to get my license now. Like, no, only one chance, because one, I don't have any more money to put into this, and two, it's almost winter. It's about to get more challenging to be outside with layers of clothes and stuff like that, and I just need to get the license done. And you know, I'm going to be starting my 2 weeks course next week. I'm off of work for 2 weeks so that I can go to the driving camp. This is just like my initial English practice with my English school, and I feel as if today is the last day, and I feel as if I need to nail down a certain thing in order to be successful. And I feel as if it's not working out today, so gotta keep my head in the game and try to like get things done. So yeah, I'm not sure. No, I'm positive that I haven't explained to you exactly what I'm doing with driving school. So if you did not know, I do not own a driver's license from Jamaica. I didn't have one of those. So it means basically that I have to get my Japanese driver's license from scratch, like the way that the high school kids would leave high school and get their license. That's the exact way in which I have to go to get my license. And you have two ways. You can like go through the license center and, you know, take a long time to get it because they fail you quite easily and stuff like that. Or they actually have an offering of like a 2 week driving intense driving camp course type of situation where you go to the driving school for 2 weeks and you're basically driving every day. You're studying for the written exams and all of that, and you can get it done in 2 weeks. Your driving practice, your driving test, and then by the time you leave the school after 2 weeks, you are ready to basically do your final written paper of 100 questions, and then you're good to go. You get your license if you pass, and all is well. So that is what I'm doing. But instead of like just enrolling myself straight into the 2 week program, which is really mostly offered in Japanese, there was a school that I was introduced to by a co-worker that probably comes shocking to some of you too, because I have not said or talked about me going back to work. But yeah, I have been working for what, 6 months now. We're in September. It's September 29th today, and I've been working since May, so I've been working for a little bit. But I was introduced to this school by a co-worker of mine, and basically they're English driving school that helps to prepare you for the written paperwork, the written paper exams. So the 50 question Carryman exam, to get the learner's permit, and then the 100 question Hunman exam for you to get your license. So I've been going with that school. The name is Dreams Driving School in Kitamoto, Saitama. And I did the written paper already, as you would have seen, and I passed. And then basically they automatically, or they just enroll you. They have an alliance or some kind of working relationship with the city driving school here, where their foreign students can enroll in the 2 week program, no problem, if they don't speak Japanese. So that is what I'm really doing. So basically I passed the paper exam. Now the English school is offering me 8 hours of driving practice before I head into the 2 week camp in October. That's next week, October 3rd. That's what's happening. And then I'll go to the camp from October 3rd to about October 14, thereabout. And then once I get that done, then I'll be ready to take my 100 question exam. And if I pass that, I get my license on the same day. My plan for a car, I'm not really planning to buy a car right now. I'm just gonna rent a car for the next like maybe 2 years from my company that I work for currently, which is not Joy Talk, thank God. I'm just gonna rent a car for the next 2 years. I feel as if I need 2 years because me going back to work is very streamlined. There are a lot of things that we need to get done as a family that I am kind of using my job to clear up. So yeah, I have some things to clear up, some bills to get paid, and like some things to get sorted out before I like invest money in a car, because it's gonna take me a while to save for a car. And I think we can get a car on a loan with the visa that we have, but I feel as if it would be more streamlined and more easy or easier if we were already permanent residents by the time we need a car loan. And we are planning to apply for Japanese permanent residence in the near future. So I feel like putting off, owning a car and having to deal with everything that comes with a car, dealing with the shaken, the inspection, winter tires, blah, blah, black sheep. I would much rather just have my company call me and say, hey, your appointment is set for this date, this time, go change your tires. Or, hey, this date, this time, you have your shaken inspection, let's go. That's just easier for me right now. Next year, especially because I don't speak Japanese, so next year I actually do plan to enroll in some sort of Japanese school type situation. I mean, at this point it can't be a physical school because I am working, and I do have a part-time job because I'm still working online as well. So for me, maybe online situation, but I do plan to start learning Japanese next year because Aiden is going into kindergarten. He's getting older. I need to be able to communicate, with not just him when he starts getting the Japanese homeworks and stuff, but his teachers and stuff. He's changing schools, so I don't have his new school is flexible with the language. There is one person in charge there that speaks English, but he's not Aiden's teacher. But I do figure that if anything is wrong, they will contact him to contact us. But other than that, in general, if we're going to be applying for permanent residency here, all the things, I think we should, be able to understand or speak Japanese a little bit. You know what I mean? So that's on my agenda for next week. Not for next week, for next year. That's my big project. This year, my big project is obviously getting my driver's license. So that's basically the process of what I'm going through and how I am getting my Japanese license. If you want to ask me the cost of it, I do not gatekeep. I have no problem sharing the cost to go through this school, this exact process that I'm going through. It's 400,000 yen. It's almost 500,000 yen. But if you just want to like throw yourself into a Japanese driving camp for 2 weeks, I think they have courses for like 200,000, 200, like up to 350,000 for the 2 weeks camping situation. I mean, the camping situation, a lot of the times you have to move from where you live and then basically go to the driving school and you'll camp there. So they'll give you an apartment and all of that for 2 weeks. It's in the fee. So that's why it's a hefty cost, because lots of things, So yeah, that is what I'm doing. And then for the past 3 days, I have been having severe jaw issues. I did not know I had wisdom teeth until yesterday. I was having a feeling that I did have them, like they did come out or was coming out, but I had no idea that they were actually there already. So I was having severe pain here on, I think it started Thursday, but because I was eating so much ice, I thought maybe the ice like scratch my gum or something. That's why it was painful, but it wasn't going away. It was getting worse, and then it got to a point where I could not open my mouth. Like the most I could open my mouth was like this. I couldn't open it to like put a straw in my mouth to drink something. I couldn't talk. I couldn't eat anything at all. It was like super severe, and I was like, all right, I have to go to a dentist to get it checked. Went to the dentist, they did a CT scan, and they were like, oh, you need to get your wisdom teeth removed if you want to have a working face. And I do want to have a working face. I hadn't eaten in a very long time at this point, so I needed to get my my facial motion back. So I ended up having a wisdom teeth or wisdom tooth extraction yesterday. I don't know, it's by the grace of God that I'm able to actually speak to you right now. I guess the pain meds that they gave me after the extraction, they're working. This morning, after the anesthesia wore off, I was told that I could eat, but I was scared to eat. So I didn't eat last night, but I managed to eat some bibimbap. It's a Korean dish. I got it from Family Mart for my lunch today while I'm here at driving school. And I don't feel so bad in my mouth. I can actually open my mouth and talk. This morning when I got here, I couldn't really move this side of my face too much. It was painful, but I took the pain meds and I'm good to go now. So yeah, actually waited on Harvey to come back. Our break time has actually ended. I don't know where he is. He's probably taking a nap in the car. But yeah, it's 4 hours of driving practice today. So we started at 1 and I should be ending at around 4:40, 5 o'clock ish, and then prepare to go start driving camp next week Thursday. Before I got my job, they did ask me if I have any reason to take an extended time off in the near future. And I told them, yeah, I intend to get my driver's license this year, so I will need to be off for 2 weeks. And they said, yeah, okay, great. So I just did what I had to do, communicated everything, did my exam, passed it, and now I am off of work and about to start driving school. I will talk more about my new job in another video. This video is not about that. It's really just documenting getting my driver's license in Japan. So yeah, I'm gonna stop talking now because I see my instructor coming, and we're gonna get started on round 2. Hi. Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah?
You are?
I am. For round 2. My instructor was saying, like, are you okay? Like, I seemed off today.
Yeah. Very off. Maybe
Yeah.
of the weather.
Maybe the weather, yeah, it's gloomy. But yeah, we're gonna start round 2. Probably practice some parking. And then we're gonna call it a day. So, catch you guys soon.
Okay, so let's go left. Anchor left. Ako rin check. 1, 2.
Okay.
Alright. A little bit slanting to there so that it will not fall. Yeah, kind of. Yeah. Alright. Let's
Perfect.
go. You don't need to pay for extra,
Okay.
Unlike, our application right now is really good.
The camera, they're golden these days.
Yeah. Come here and then anchor left. You're going Yoseru. Okay?
Okay, yes, sir. Go inside?
No, not yet. We're going backwards to enter the parallel parking. Okay, so right here I'm going to remember this one. This one, okay? Okay, forward. Let's go the whole block. We're going to stop by the whole block. All right. More. Okay, stop. Okay, do you see this one? This little
Yes.
mirror, the one that I showed you, the white corner thing. You align it with that.
Okay.
Okay, hazard, reverse.
You always need to do the hazard when
Yes,
you're
always.
reversing?
Not only reverse, but also if you're emergency stopping, to answer your phone, because that's the basic rule.
Okay.
Stop and answer the phone, not like right now I have my earphone.
Yeah.
Yeah, something like it's emergency stop. Okay, 1, 2, check, 3, 4. Slowly release the brake while checking on the mirror, aligning the white straw or stick that I showed you. You can check what you did.
My gosh. Okay.
Yes. That's the parallel parking. Do it one more.
I parallel parked.
Traffic light, left. Straight. Instead of going back, you. Okay, winker left, company check. It's green light.
Where is 11?
No, it already got passed by. Go. 11 is right.
Oh.
Okay, left again. Okay, check. Slow down. Okay, that's too fast.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
I'm too
See?
close.
Yeah, that's why. You're too fast. That's why you need to go back. Release it.
Here's
That's
a car.
That's why I told you. Okay. Go. You know that I can drive even I'm here.
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
You better be able to drive while you're there.
Release the axle. Alright. Yeah, because you're too fast. Okay, so align the whole car on the block. Turn right, winker right, check. Okay, straight first, and then align your side mirror to the white lane, and then full right. All right. Place your hand here. All right, and then go back. 1 and 2. All right. Okay,
Oh, it's green.
Shingo Masugu, straight, and then number 12. There's a number 12. All right, winker migi, kakunin check. 1, 2, 3, and then yasaru. All right. Align the not yet. That's too fast. You should have aligned
Yeah.
the side mirror to the corner, and you're going too fast. Okay, I don't know if you're tense about the video or.
I'm just tense today.
Yeah, I don't know why. Did you eat? Like you ate, right? You ate lunch.
I ate a little bit. But I was scared to eat because of the extraction. Remember, I did the extraction yesterday. I took out my wisdom tooth yesterday.
I see. Okay,
I
so
had to take
this is the
clean.
second time that the back of the car just hit the curb.
We hit it again?
Yeah, we just hit down, right? We go down.
I didn't feel anything.
Okay, but you know, sitting here, you can feel it.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
That's why the instructors can just say, oh, what
Yeah, exactly. Like go back to
Yeah.
the
What
designated place.
Yeah.
Designated
My husband
place.
went through that actually.
If he didn't turn as soon as possible. Okay, we're going to hit again. All right. Yeah.
All right, are we finished for today?
Almost. Like
Ah,
winker left.
I left?
Yeah.
Damn.
You're going to do the number 12 again. Right. Left. You just went right. So you need to stop. Okay. Test it. Okay. Winker right. Happening check. 1, 2, 3. It will be all in the video, so you should just watch it. Your failures.
Oh my God.
Your mistakes, rather. Sorry for my English. It's not my first language. Okay, that's it for the 2 days. I hope you have learned something
oh
from
man,
me.
Harvey, I'm gonna
Okay,
miss
go.
you.
Down here. Go. We're going to hit the other car. I hope. Oh, he knew. That's why he... yeah, it's an instructor, so he knew.
Sorry,
Okay,
sir.
Winker Miggy, kakunin check. Alright. I think we're good to go. Stop, check. There's a car. There. Alright. Go, 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 go.
Main Street.
Yeah, you're having hard time on the wheels. I can see that you're having hard time on the wheels. You can just stay there and then go. Okay, sorry. I touched the lens. Okay, winker left, kakunin check. Alright. And then go. See? And then when you're here, you go back and then back again. And then straight. No, no, no. What's happening? Okay. Alright. Okay. Back, back, back.
Man, I'm over it for
Yeah,
I'm over it.
That's it's like I had enough. You know.
Yeah,
That's
I'm
it for
over it.
today. Okay.
Yep.
Okay, go number 16. Try to park it again in front of my car. Okay, when you watch this later on, you can just, like what I said, face palm and then. Okay, there's a car passing by. Stop. All right. Handbrake. So that's the thing. I mean, the wheels, you're having hard time to that.
Yeah.
Like you're turning to left, and then you're not remembering that you just need to turn one time.
One time or two times
Yeah.
or yeah. Yeah.
So okay, that's it for today. I hope.
Thank you.
Yeah, I hope I have